Let me ask you something. How much of your week disappears into busy work? Pulling comps, running numbers, guessing at repairs, chasing sellers, sending a handful of offers, and playing phone tag until you're exhausted. Here's the hard truth. While you're doing all of that by hand, your competition isn't. And every lead you don't get to fast enough is money walking out the door. That's the problem. Now let me show you the solution. There's a small group of investors right now who've learned to do the work of 10 in a fraction of the time. They evaluate a deal in minutes. They build a full contractor scope of work in minutes. They make hundreds of offers automatically, and they've got AI making and taking their calls around the clock. It's not theory. It's not the future. It's happening right now, and most people have no idea it's already here. So I want to show it to you live. This Monday, July 13th at 5:45, I'm hosting a preview session where I'll walk you through exactly this. The problem that's holding most investors back and the AI solution that fixes it. You'll see it work with your own eyes. And if you like what you see on Monday, that's just the appetizer. Because on Saturday, July 25th, I'm holding a full hands-on 8-hour AI day, 9 to 5, where we don't just talk about this stuff. We build it. Together. In the room. The complete CRM, the offer machine, the AI phone agents, the deal evaluation and scope of work tools, all of it. Working in your business before you walk out the door. But it starts Monday. Come see what's possible first. Seats are limited, and this is only for people who are ready to stop working harder and start working smarter. The tools are already here. The only question is whether you learn to use them or watch someone else use them to take your deals. To save your spot for Monday, July 13th at 5:45, just click the link below. Don't get left behind. I'll see you there. I'm looking forward to it.